These fabric pyramids are one of the most popular projects ever featured in Thread. They feature a folded nylon coil zipper installation. This technique is easy and it's useful in bag and garment applications. To find the complete fabric pyramid instructions, visit threadsmagazine.com. The project appeared in Threads number 104. Most of the zippers you encounter open and close in one way. However, what makes this folded zipper work is that zipper teeth lock in either direction, as demonstrated with this double slider zipper. Each slider opens or closes the zipper. For the folded zipper in the fabric pyramid, you need only one side of the zipper. When the zipper is folded, the teeth still interlock. Begin by cutting off the top and bottom stops. Then remove the slider. Sew one zipper tape side, right sides together and teeth away from the raw edge to the fabric. Turn and top stitch through the fabric and the zipper tape. Fold the zipper and fabric in half and align the zipper coil ends. With the slider pointing toward the fold, gently work the slider back onto the coils. Then zip to the fold. Voila! A zipper takes a U-turn. Remember that other zipper side? I bet you're wondering, what can you do with it? One thing you could use it as is piping along an edge or in a seam. For more zipper techniques, keep visiting threadsmagazine.com.